What's up, everybody? Todd here, and I'm going to do a review on Revelation's FAKER. He is the evil robot of Skeletor. In the original Classics version, he was pretty much blue, some type of blue, and he was a robot that Skeletor created in the image of He-Man with super strength. What I like about the Revelations right off the bat is how they did the, he's got the skin over him. He's like a robot and he can actually impersonate He-Man, and he's actually battle damaged, so he's got torn pieces of skin everywhere, and it just reminds you of like the Terminator movie, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he's got that skin coming off. And also they gave us 3 head sculpts. So we have the one currently on there where it's part of his robot face is showing. He's got a full robot head, and then full head of like He-Man, but it's got the red eyes, so it's not He-Man. Comes with the He-Man shield, 4 hands, the sword, and then the chest piece armor. And let's see here. It's got sword, the right grip, and the left. Is that chop? Ooh, sorry about that. A lot of cool detail, and they even did like the blood. It's got this cool piece. So it's cauldrons that was on the hand or the wrist. Let's get the rest of it out here. I'm just gonna there's the back of the box. Alright, there's a shield. I like how they put those straps in there. It's pretty cool. Then here's the He-Man head with the red eyes. And the full robot head, which instantly I'm thinking of DESTRO from G.I. Joe Cobra. And the chest piece here, or his armor. It's got the bat. Looks like a bat symbol. And I actually picked up pulled the classified DESTRO head off. Do a little side by side. Hold on. Alright, I'm back with some magic. Yeah, I'm still new at the videos, so I don't edit. Yeah, they're going to be pretty choppy and whatnot. Hopefully I'll get better as I go. But I thought you don't want to see my hands. Check them out. A little better this way. So it's pretty cool. I wanted to see if I don't know, those might. Let's see if that'll. Let's see if that pops on. I got DESTRO right here. And let's see if that pops on right here. It does. Popped right on. That's awesome. I didn't realize those were compatible until just now. Whoops. So you can actually take the FAKER robot head and put it on DESTRO from the classified series. There you go. So if your FAKER's not using it, got another head for DESTRO. The expression, you know, he's got red eyes, and that's awesome. That's cool. I like it. All right, so that works if you guys want to do that. All right, pull these over. Then I brought in the He-Man figure and got pretty similar the sculpt, the boots, I mean the legs are the same, belts, chest piece, shield's identical, power sword, just same thing, just got an orange handle cowl there. The head sculpt though, see the hair's different. The hair's going a different way. I thought this would be like, I thought this head would sculpt was the same one, just with the different painted eyes, but the hair's different. You can see the hair is going a different way. So this is the same head sculpt here, but they are different from the first He-Man we got. So that's pretty cool. They gave us a new head sculpt on that. Looks to be same figure though, as far as I can tell. So we got new head sculpt, you know, this new accessory, and oh, I forgot these figures. FAKER, what'd he retail at? I do not remember. Is it 25 or because oh, I don't remember. Might have been 30. I can't remember now. I'm getting like this and the Origins mixed up because I have Origins and prices in my head. But there you go. That's very cool. I just love how detail. Oh, and then how I put this shield on He-Man is I just popped his hand off and slide that on there, and I just left his hand off. I'm sure a lot of people do that. And Just like, don't need to put it back on. And yeah, I just like the detail with like his tissue, his skin being peeled away, like he's in battle. He's got battle damaged. Pop his chest piece off here so we can look at that. It's just really cool. I mean, totally looks like metal. They did good on the paint. Very, very good. And like I said, I mean, the video I did with the Moss Man, I wasn't going to collect this line, but when I just kept walking by them at Target, and I'm just like, man, because I was thinking of classics. I grew up in the 80s, so I'm thinking classics, the short 5.5 inch, and they all had the cartoonish biceps and just really similar, and just all the crazy, were they 5 points articulation or something? No elbow joint articulation, no knee joint. They just rotated at the hip, the shoulders, and the head swiveled. So yeah, I think it was the 5 point. I'm just like, what are these? These aren't the He-Man I grew up with. And I mean, I knew this show was out, Revelations, but the more I was looking at them, I'm like, man, these are just cool. Very good sculpts on them. I like how they just go above and beyond from the classics, and they just do a lot more with them. Just extend it. They really, really cool. There's FAKER. We can pop his head off. And we swapped snapped right in. There's Destro's head. You can have Destro. So that's very cool. We got the two. So again, I mean, obviously the paint's different. It's a different silver. Destro's is looking more polished, more chrome. And this is looking more, I don't know, steel, raw steel, I guess. So, but that's a cool thing. I wouldn't have, I just saw that and I'm like, it kind of reminds me of Destro, and see if they work. And this was the first time I realized that the lines work together, because you can see that the Revelations figures are bigger. They're larger than G.I. Joe Classified. And, they're made by Mattel, and these are made by Hasbro. So, alright, well, I think that'll do it for the FAKER review. Again, I really like him. My favorite parts are the metal, how they made that, and the skin, the tissue, battle damaged, really cool. They did it all over the upper body and gave us 3 head sculpts. Just a lot of different, I love when they give you the different head sculpts, just different posability, put them on your shelf, just different setups. If you like to photograph, just a lot of different options. So, this figure is going to go a long way, do a lot with it. And you could buy another one, have a little FAKER army, a couple different heads on there. Alright, well, until next time, I'll talk to everyone later. Have a good one.